Joking, of course, it's hard. Well, it's going to be a little bit of an annoying week because I have a lot of small jobs to do. Things that seem simple, but can take hours, if not a whole day. Let's do it. Start with those openings in the wall. I need to make one, probably one here. One there. Well, there are some huge stones in the way. Let's see, we have to go to the left. Let's see. We get here. Alright. That one. Take out this one, and then we can make an opening. And then of course, between making all the openings, I did another 2, 3, and cleaning up. You spend the better part of the day. Alright, that's all in place. Next, start building that iron. It was a long day. The weather forecast says it's gonna rain for maybe 2 days. So I brought everything inside. You can work inside, maybe take a day off first. Better to work with the bricks when they are dry. I put all the tubes in. Also for the wood stove. And then there is a story about the reinforcement. So I had a little bit of help because that beam is, I don't know how much it weighs, but a lot. Anyway, recycled. They are originally from the barn in front. I took them out and I reused all of them. Now they are finished. It's a good reinforcement, and around them I will create some pillars. That's going to be an electricity column. And then here a pillar with a wooden beam, support the old ceiling. Very nice. And they were exactly long enough to cut in half and use one and two, one in the corner and one here. Fantastic. I like it when you can recycle materials. I never threw it away. And that's the tube for the gas, for the kitchen. Did some welding a long time ago. So everything is already in place and can start building the wall. But maybe I will wait 1 day or even 2, I don't know. We'll see. Oh, I'm glad I did all that work yesterday. I broke one. Now, that may seem like nothing, but 5 years ago, one of those would cost 40 cents. Today, 77. And the bigger ones, €1 each. It's almost like a coffee. And there are a lot, so. Oh, and it's raining and raining all day. Fantastic water for the garden though. Well, good job. Only that internet cable needs to be taken out. That's a shorter route. And I do have a solution for all these cables, including the Wi-Fi router, etc. It needs a little bit of work too. But today it's very peaceful here inside. And it's gonna stay peaceful today. Oh! Yeah. You have to stay in, huh? All the rain. Ah, the first bricks. Kijk maar dan. it's not the easiest thing if you don't do that every day. So I'm gonna call it a day. Was a good week. The weather is fantastic at the moment. But this wall is detached from the old one. So if it gets wet, all the moist can go behind, underneath. Perfect. So I'm missing some tools and some materials. So today and tomorrow I'll make sure I'll get those. I have some discussions about the wood for the sauna and what kind of insulation. It's not readily available, so I have to go in the afternoon talk to my wood supplier. We can probably order something from Austria. And then do some preparations and prepare for the internal walls. First this one. Then we can do the walls for the bathroom. Leave that one for the last, because if I can find the right wood, I can do all the ceiling with wood, both for the sauna and outside. Those are 4 meters, so I don't have to cut anything. That would be nice. And then there is this corner, so this is going to be a small pillar, probably just 2. Tuck, tuck, tuck. That one is going to be a little bit wider, just to cover the iron. And that one is for the last. Yeah. Got to check all the distances. Quite important, huh? Not to make a mistake there. And clean up everything. I already cleaned up a lot. Always nice to work in a clean environment. Alright, I think that's it for this week. The weather looks good. I love this kind of weather. It's really nice temperature. There's a bit of wind. Not sure if we're gonna get some more rain. They say we do. At night the temperature still drops until 0 -2. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Ciao.